Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using this little Christmas plaque from Walmart, this picture frame stand from Dollar Tree, and scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby. I started by removing the little picture frame part from this stand and sanding those holes. I then take ink colored chalk paint by Waverly, and I use a sponge to apply the paint on the entire back, the sides, and the stand, just giving it one coat. I then take Mod Podge and apply a generous layer of that to the front. I did not bother painting it since the scrapbook paper I'm using is very thick, so you can't see through it. But if it's a thinner design you're using, definitely paint that to cover up the wording in that color. Once I had the scrapbook paper applied down, I trimmed up the excess and used my heating tool to dry that layer of Mod Podge. And I used saran wrap to push out any bubbles or wrinkles. Once it was completely dry, I did an outer layer of Mod Podge as well and then dried that completely. Once that was dry, I just took my sander and sanded off the excess scrapbook paper on the top. And then took this Farm Fresh sign from Walmart. It was just 98 cents. And removed the tag. And then took this buffalo check ribbon from Dollar Tree. Cut probably about a 5-inch strip of that. Made it into a loop, hot gluing the ends together. I then cut another strip. And the loop part I tied together with some black and white twine so it matched. Got it in the center and just pulled that nice and tight to make the little bow. I left the twine long, took my other piece of ribbon I had cut, twisted it, and tied that in that twine that I had put on the bow, and then cut off the excess twine. I then hot glued that to the corner of the little plaque, and then I wanted to cover up that little hole from the hanger. So I just trimmed up the ribbons and then kind of hot glued it right over that hole, kind of leaving it a little bubbled up on both sides. I then just eyeballed the center of the stand and hot glued down the little plaque to it. That's it for this project. Thank you guys so much for watching.